Alright guys, quick video on small hive beetle larvae when they've taken over your frames. I had a mating nuke that did not make it. As you can see, we got chickens and they're dropping down and they're just eating them. But these frames over here, don't get killed by that piece of tin. It's about 95 degrees. You can see them coming out. But once they hit the tin, they don't make it off of the tin. Thing is, like this has got fishing line in it, it's going to cook out the wax, but as you see, they are dying as they try to escape. I'm trying to save my comb. So you just kind of turn it over, give it a little bit of a tap. Upside down tap to get the ones to come out. And I sit there and said, oh, that don't look too bad. There's not one or two in there. And Paul's like, no, you put it on the tin and you'll see. Look at them. They're just, and look how fast they're dying. That's just cooking them. Got two frames that's already been done this way. And that, my friends, is what's called a slimy mess. But his chickens are going to be eating good. So that's just a quick video how to try to save your frames if you need to save your frames. Get them to cook it out. Uh-oh. And then there's the cleanup crew.
Almost feel sorry for them.
I don't. Look at there. You mean Mama let you pick up the chicks?
No, these are motherless. No, she'd be over here still whooping me.
Hey, missed one. Missed one.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Get your hive tool on you.
Yeah.
Scoop some of this shit out of in here. Oh, they done took off.
I'll set the whole box in there.
No, I was just doing this to get more. Well,
Can't set it down, they'll destroy it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, first thing that mom did, she